Okay, before going to the next exercise, we will discuss the concepts as usual. See this picture, triangles as parts of rectangles. Okay, for example, this is rectangle 1, this is rectangle 2. So if you can take a diagonal, okay, this rectangle was divided into two triangles. Okay, so triangles are acting as part of rectangle. And if you can make this one as 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, that means here in the picture B we have 4 triangles as a part of rectangle. Okay, so a rectangle can be a part, some parts of triangles. Keep this in your mind. Area of a parallelogram. The formula for area of parallelogram is equals to area A is equals to BH. That means here B is known as the base of the parallelogram and H is the height. Okay, and this is how we are going to find the area of a parallelogram. Area A is equals to base into height. Okay, this is known as the height and this portion is known as the base. Next, area of a triangle. The formula for area of a triangle is equals to half into BH. B is the base of the triangle and H is the height of the triangle. Also we can write this as BH by 2, base into height by 2. This part is known as the base and this part is known as the height. This is area of a triangle. We will see exercise 11.2. Find the area of each of the following parallelograms. We know the formula for area of parallelogram is equals to base into altitude. That is, if you can see this picture, it is 7 into 4, which is equals to 28 centimeters square. Okay, and for question B, area of parallelogram is equals to, as per the formula, base into altitude, that is 5 into 3, 5 centimeters into 3 centimeters, which is equals to 15 centimeters square. And for this picture C, okay, it is as usual the base into altitude is the formula for area of the parallelogram. So 2.5 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters, which is equals to 8.75 centimeters square. Question D, area of the parallelogram is equals to base into altitude, that is 5 centimeters into 4.8 centimeters, that is 24.0 centimeters square. This is equals to 24 centimeters square. For question E, area of the parallelogram is equals to base into altitude, that is 2 into 4.4, okay, centimeters, that is 8.8 centimeters square. Next, question number 2. Find the area of each of the following triangles. We know the formula for area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into BH. Okay, here the value of B is 4 centimeters and the value of H is equals to 3 centimeters. That is 1 by 2 into 4 into 3. Upon cancellation, we have got the value 6 centimeters square. Okay, this is typing mistake, 6 centimeters square. I don't mind to admit my mistakes. Okay, this is a typing mistake. Next, for this triangle B, okay, the formula is half BH, 1 by 2 into B into H. So 1 by 2 into base is here, if you can observe, okay, 5 centimeters into H is equals to 3.2 centimeters. So that is, see here he was typed correctly. 5 centimeters into 3.2 centimeters, which is equals to 8.0 centimeters square. Next question, question number C. Area of the triangle is equals to half BH, that is equals to 1 by 2 into base is 3 centimeters, height is 4 centimeters. So this is 6 centimeters square. because the formula is half BH, we know. Question number D. If you can see here, the base is 3 centimeters, 1 by 2 into 3 centimeters, and the height is 2 centimeters. So upon cancellation 2 cancels here, so the answer is 3 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Next question, question number, find the missing values. Okay, serial number, base and height, and he was given the area of the parallelogram. For the first one, the area of the parallelogram is base into height. He was given base, okay, and the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so height is equals to, okay, see the formula is B into H. So 246 is the area, which is equals to 20 into H. Therefore H is equals to 246 by 20. Upon cancellation, okay, 123 by 10 centimeters. So this is equals to 12.3 centimeters upon simplifying. Okay, so here we have to write 12.3 centimeters. And for the next one, area of the parallelogram is equals to, we know, B into H. He was given the area as 154.5 and the length is 15. B into H, this is the H. Okay, therefore B is equals to 154.5 by 15. Upon cancellation, we got the value as 10.3 centimeters. Question C. Area of the parallelogram is equals to, the formula is B into H. He was given the area of the parallelogram as 48.72 and height as 8.4. We have to find the value of base B. Okay, 48.72 is equals to B into 8.4. Therefore B is equals to 48.72 by 8.4. So upon cancellation, we have got the value of 5.8 centimeters. And next question D. Okay, he was given the area of the parallelogram as 16.38 and the base value is 15.6. We have to find the height. Height H is equals to 16.38 by 15.6. So upon cancellation, we have got the value of 1.05 centimeters. Next question. Question number 4. Find the missing values. Base, height and area of the triangle. Here he was given the area of the triangle. For the first one, area of the triangle formula is 1 by 2 into BH. He was given the area of the triangle as 87 centimeter square, which is equals to 1 by 2 into 15. He was given base and into H. So we have to find the value of H. So H is equals to 87 into 2 by 15. Upon cancellation, we have got 11.6 centimeters is the height. Height H is equals to 11.6 centimeters. And for question 2, okay, the area of the triangle was given as 1256 millimeter square and the height value is equals to 31.4 millimeters. So we have to find the value of B as 1256 into 2 by 31.4, which is equals to 80 millimeters. Upon cancellation, upon simplification, we have got the value 80 millimeters. Third one, area of the triangle he was given 170.05 centimeter square. This is equals to 1 by 2 into, he was given the value of B as 22 and we have to find the value of H. Therefore H is equals to 170.5 into 2 by 22. Okay, upon cancellation we have got the value of 15.5 centimeters. So the required height is equals to 15.5 centimeters. Question number 5. PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Here QM is the height of Q to SR. QM is height of Q on SR, and QN is the height from Q to PS. Okay. If the value of SR is equals to 12 centimeters and QM is equals to 7.6 centimeters, we have to find the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Area of the parallelogram PQRS is equals to SR into QM. SR into QM. Okay. Base into height. Area is equals to base into height. Okay, 12 centimeters into 7.6 centimeters, which is equals to 91.2 centimeters square. And area of the parallelogram PQRS is equals to 1 by 2 into PS into QN. Okay, but he was given area of the parallelogram PQRS is equals to 91.2 centimeters square. Here he was given, which is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height, which is equals to 8 into Qn. We have to find the value of Qn as Qn is equals to 91.2 into 2 by 8. Upon cancellation, we have got the value of 22.8 centimeters. Okay. Question number 6. DL and BM are the heights on sides AB and AD. Okay, for the parallelogram ABCD. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeters square and the value of AB is equals to 35 centimeters and the value of AD is equals to 49 centimeters, find the length of BM and DL. Very simple problem. Area of the parallelogram is ABCD is equals to AB into DL, right? Base into height, simply. That is 1470 centimeters square is equals to 35 centimeters into DL. Okay, therefore DL is equals to 1470 by 35, which is equals to 42. The height is equals to 42 centimeters. And area of the parallelogram ABCD is equals to AD into BM in terms of AD and BM. Okay, AD and BM. If you have taken this as base and this as height, that is 1470 centimeters square is equals to 49 into BM. Therefore, BM is equals to 1470 by 49. Upon cancellation, BM is equals to 30 centimeters. Okay, this is how we are going to find the value of BM as well as DL. Very simple. Okay, don't get confused. Question number 7. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. Okay, here it is. AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, if AB is equals to 5 centimeters, AB is equals to 5 centimeters, BC is equals to 13 centimeters, and AC is equals to 12 centimeters, find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. Okay, the area of the triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 into, okay, AB into AC, because here A is the right angled. It is right, this triangle is right angled at A. So the base is 5 and the height is 12. Okay, that is 1 by 2 into 5 into 12, which is equals to 30 centimeters square. Okay, and also area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 into BC into AD. Okay, this because base into height, this is also in terms. That means 30 centimeter square here we have got is equals to 1 by 2 into 13 into AD. So for the value of AD is equals to 30 into 2 by 13. Okay, 30 into 2 is 60 by 13 centimeters. Upon cancellation, we got the value of AD as 4.62 centimeters. This is the height. Okay, the next question is question number 8. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equals to AC is equals to 7.5. AB and AC. This is an isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal with 7.5 centimeters and BC is equals to 9 centimeters. The height AD from A to BC, okay, this is A to BC. This is 6 centimeters. So we have to find the area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB? Okay, C to this AB. Area of the triangle is equals to, we know the formula, 1 by 2 into base into height. That is 1 by 2 into, what is the base here? 9 centimeters clearly. Okay, and what is the height here? 6 centimeters clearly. Therefore, upon cancellation, this is equals to 27 centimeters square. Therefore, area of the triangle in terms of AB and CE is equals to 1 by 2 into AB into CE. Okay, base into height, B into H. Okay, but we know the value of triangle ABC as 27 centimeters square. So 27 centimeters square is equals to 1 by 2 into, what is the value of AB here? Here AB is equals to 7.5 centimeters into CE. Therefore, CE is equals to 27 into 2 by 7.5 centimeters. This is equals to 36 by 5, which is equals to, upon cancellation, 7.2 centimeters. Okay. With this, we have completed this exercise. Thank you.